Okay, now that we've installed MovieMaker, we go down here, MovieMaker, hit enter. At least that's the way I usually do it. And there we are. We will, about MovieMaker, this is version 2012. This is the latest that Microsoft has released for 7. There's a newer version for Windows 8.1. Okay, now that we have MovieMaker, let's get started working with it. The first thing we're going to do is add some photos and videos. If you want to click on the storyboard over here, you can add some stuff. Now I've gone ahead and created a folder called Video 62414, which is today, and I put some pictures and some videos in here. And I'm going to grab a couple, and that's going to throw them up there on the storyboard. And then if you hit the space bar, it'll play through and show a preview of what the video is over here. So you got your change. Each picture automatically is set to 7 seconds. If you want to change that and shorten it up a little bit, you can do 4. That did that one. And 4. Now, pick a spot there, hit play. It's going to be 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Alright, so now we got our pictures. If we want to add video, we go back, click on the home up here, add photos and video, and I've got this sample from Microsoft, and you'll see it stuck at where you had your spot right there. Right here shows the counter. Right now we're at 9 seconds, 54 seconds total, and right now it's preparing the video. While that's doing that, you can still keep on working. We can click on animations, and we can add transitions. It's basically from one picture to the next. Slide around. And we're going to apply that to all. Right now, these transitions are set to 1 minute 50 seconds. Now if you want to do, if you remember Civil War with Ken Burns, we can add pan and zoom. So the picture, when it loads, you zoom in, or you zoom left or right. You don't really want to apply this to all, because some pictures you'll cut out an important part of the picture that won't look right. So try to keep pan and zoom down to see that worked out pretty good. Now we have the video from Microsoft with wildlife. It has its own sound. Let's see what else. We've added pictures, we've added transitions, we've added videos. So now let's add captions. Captions, you have 3 options. When you go to home, you've got title, which goes at the beginning. The default is my movie. We're going to call it Awesome Movie. And here you can change the background color. We can go Viking green, which is kind of bright, and you can change the color of text over here to black, and you can change the way it rolls in with the animations over here. Also movie. Okay. We've got our title, and go back home, and then let's say we want to add a caption to our picture. So let's say this is a hydrangea. That is right here. Let's change our storyboard to where we can zoom in just a little bit. Here we go. So our hydrangea, or our caption, is right here. This transition takes up a little bit. Hydrangea. And we want to add jellyfish. That's right here. You've got your duration is 1 minute and 32 seconds. You're going to make it a little longer. We're going to pull over. You can drag it a little bit over there, like that. Oops. Now if you want to change the way that comes in, there are several options. Used to be the Star Wars option, but that's not there anymore. It does come with MovieMaker. I like this one. Jellyfish. We can even add captions to our video. This is horses running in the surf. Kind of self-explanatory. It's not horses running in the surf, so let's change the speed of that and drop it back about, whoops, change the duration of that to, let's say, 4 seconds. And we can change that to look like a something like that. Voila. Okay, so we got our captions, we've got our pictures all loaded. Let's add some music. Even though the video has music, we can video volume, change that, the volume on the video to all the way down, or we can turn it all the way off. We're going to do that because we're going to add our own. And of course, be mindful of copyrights. And we're going to add music, not at the current point, but just add music. And I created that folder under videos, video 62414, and there we have 3. Let's do this one. Yeah, that's calm. Not quite as awesome as I would like, but you know how it is. If you want free music, there's a lot of websites that offer free copyright music, copyright-free music, like Free Play. You can change click on it, you can change the music volume of that, make it a little louder. You can have it fade in, slow, and fade out, medium. You can split where you want the music to stop, anywhere. That doesn't look that bad. Okay. So, what else? Speaking of splits, if we want to edit our video, our actual video, let's say we want to cut out, we like the horses, but we want to cut out the, let's pick one. Yeah, I don't like walruses. So we find the spot where walruses start in, right there. We want to back that up just a little. That's 3013. We're going to back it up to right there. It's split, which basically makes it a whole nother file. And once the walruses are done, right there, we're going to back it up just a hair and split it again. So our resulting video is, so let's just delete, remove horses, some type of birds, whoops, just a little bit of walruses, so we can move. I'm not going to, like right there, split it again, and just take that out. And and that's not quite as accurate as it can be, but that's how we're going to do it for this video. Okay, we've added title, we've added pictures, we've added videos, we need to add end credits. End credits are pretty simple. You click on home, click on credits, and credits. This was the awesome movie. And then go back to credits, and then you have your choice of director, starring, location, soundtrack. This will actually auto scroll. And so far, I can't spell big old rocks. So anyway, there's that, and now we're going to save our video. Now, if you've ever done a presentation with PowerPoint, added an awesome sound, or added some video in it, saved it to your thumb drive, didn't copy over the video. Well, the same problem can happen with MovieMaker. When you save project, save as, whatever, that file or that product you create is only available for MovieMaker. And it's looking for all of those videos that I've got saved under this folder. So if I were to delete something out of this folder, it wouldn't show up in MovieMaker. Now, to create your finished product, or to put it out there to actually where people can see it as a MP4 file or MOV file or whatever, you've got two options. You can publish movie, and this gives you OneDrive. You can put it to Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, Flickr, and several other projects. Or you can save movie, which will save it to the local computer in a format you like, in a size you like, and then you can manipulate it from there. And we're just going to hit save for, let's say, Android phone. If you hover over that, you can see it'll show you the display size, the bit rate, and the estimated file size. So this one's going to save 72 megabytes per minute of video. It was a 5-minute video, so that's going to be about 400 megabytes, which is pretty big. If you want to go smaller, it's about the same. iPhone's about the same as Android phone medium. And then actually you can, if you hit computer, it'll save it about the same as that option. Several options here. Let's see, there should be create custom setting, which allows you a little more features. You can call it whatever. You can change the pixels, whatever audio format, and you can check this part right here, estimated file size. Well, right, so let's just say we do 800, 600. Oh, yeah. And bitrate, we can drop that down. What was that, 600? That's 5 minutes per minute video. So 25 meg is going to be not the best quality, but it's going to be easier to deal with if you want to email it or whatever. And that's it. That's all we got. We got also save movie over here, and then there's our setting, and that is awesome movie. Save it.